Hello students, welcome to online class. This is English class of class 5, English grammar class. Today in this video I will tell you about direct speech and indirect speech of your book, that is chapter number 124. First, let's see what is a direct speech. As I have written on the board, a direct speech, the sentence that tell us the exact word of a speaker are said to be in direct speech. A sentence in which the exact word of a speaker are put is called a direct speech. Here, exact words, the sentence that tell us the real word what the speaker has said, that tell us that is said to be a direct speech. In example, here Raj said to Ritika. Here what the Raj has told, the same here in this sentence Raj is speaker, and what he has said, the same exact words are put in between inverted comma, and this sentence is said to be a direct sentence or a direct speech, in which the speaker is Raj, he is speaker, and his word whatever he has told, the same his exact word were put in the inverted comma, or you can say in the quotation. Such sentences are called as direct speech, in which the speaker's words are put as it is, what he has said. As in the second sentence, Bobby, here Bobby said, here Bobby is speaker. Here in this case, Bobby is a speaker, and what he said were put in the quotation mark, in between the quotation mark, and these are the words which are the exact word of Bobby. So this type of sentence are said to be a direct sentence, in which the exact word of a speakers are given, and this sentence, whenever the exact words of a speaker will be written always in between the inverted comma. These are inverted comma, you can say a quotation. Now we will say parts of direct speech. Here in both the sentence, first is Raj the speaker, and then in second sentence Bobby is the speaker, and there in both the sentence their words whatever they have speak were put in between the quotation mark. So this sentence is said to be a direct sentence. Now we will see the parts of direct sentence. Now here is an example. The same example I have taken, that is Raj said to Ritika, I will share my lunch to you. Here we will know the parts of direct speech. Mainly, a direct speech has only two parts, that is the first part that is out of inverted comma, and the second which is in the inverted comma. The first part which is out of the inverted comma, or you can say the out of quotation mark, this is said to be, this is called reporting word. This is called reporting word. This sentence which is out of inverted comma is called reporting word, and which is in between, or you can say inside the inverted comma or quotation mark, this is called reported speech. This way we have seen there is two part of a direct speech. First, which is out of inverted comma, that is called It consists of, first is subject, second is verb, here is preposition word, and fourth is object. If we say about the reporting word, it consists of subject, then verb, preposition, and object. There are four main things, that is, first is subject, verb, preposition, and then object. And in reported speech, there is also subject, verb, object, and other verb. But the necessary thing is reporting word. Now we will see indirect speech. Here is a definition of indirect speech, that is, the sentence where one reports what the speaker has said are said to be indirect speech. In this, indirect sentence are those sentences in which somebody else report what the speaker has said. So this is said to be indirect speech. In indirect speech, the speaker exact words are not given, it is told by somebody else. Somebody reports the same word to convert in his or her own sentence. For example, here the first sentence is in direct form. This is a direct speech. First sentence is in direct speech, which I have taken for the example, as I have taken the previous. Raj said, I will share my lunch to you. Here, Raj is a speaker and his exact words are put in between the inverted comma. When we change this same sentence in indirect form, when we change this into direct speech, it becomes Ram said that. Here we use the conjunction that to join the sentence. To join both the sentence, that is reporting verb and reported speech, here we have to use the conjunction that. And it becomes, the Raj said that he would share his lunch to me. Here so many changes have done, as the word I changed into he. This is called the personal pronoun changes. Here the tense-wise changes will change into would. This is tense-wise change. And same you change into me. This is also a personal pronoun change. In this way we have seen, when we convert a sentence, when we convert a direct sentence into indirect sentence, there are so many changes take place. First change is a personal pronoun change. Second is tense-wise change. And also all the inverted commas are removed when we write the sentence in indirect form. And the conjunction word, that is joining word, is used to make indirect speech. Now let's see some of the changes, that is personal pronoun changes, of changing direct to indirect sentence. Here I have written some changes, as the word in a direct sentence, if it is I change into me, he change into him, she change into her, you remain same you, they change into them. There are some other changes also, as this change into that, ago change into before. It is before. And also if there is year, change into there. In the same way, so many other changes are here. Some other changes as now change into then, today change into that day, yesterday change into the day before, or you can say the previous day, last night change into the previous night or the night before. In the same way, if there is a last month, it will change into the previous month or the month before. In the same way, last week change into the previous week, or you can say the week before. In this way, there are so many changes take place when we change a direct sentence into indirect speech. Now, there is also, we use connecting word, that is that, to join the reporting verb and the reported speech of an indirect sentence to make of direct sentence to make it indirect speech. And tense wise change, which we will see in the next video. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Time हो गया?